Hi everyone. So my today's video is about uric acid. So what are the reasons that you get uric acid? I will be making another video for solution also, but if you know what are the reasons, automatically half of your problem will be solved. So actually uric acid is nothing but it's a metabolic product of protein and byproduct of protein digestion. So basically it's a waste product, like there is some utilization, but after that whatever is extra, it is a waste which should come out of your body. So if it is not coming out of body, it can create issues. It can start accumulating in your joints and you can have pain around your joint area. If it is more, then it can also lead to gout problem, which can be quite painful problem and issue. So when you have high uric acid issue, you're not going to have immediately gout, but it's just a condition. Yeah, once it is continuously high and you are like it is getting accumulated in your joint, then only this gout problem will start. So now since it is a metabolic issue, you need to understand that it's not just one food what you eat and you are going to have gout or high uric acid problem. Basically it's a whole system which is not working properly, and that's why you are getting this uric acid issue. So metabolic related issues are interlinked. So when you have high sugar levels, when your cholesterol are also high, you will always see, if you do your blood reports, that generally uric acid will also come high. So as I said, everything is interlinked in your system. So when you have any other metabolic related problem, this also can increase, since metabolic things are not working fine in your body. Another thing is it is a waste product in which your kidneys basically are responsible to eliminate it from your body. So if it is not coming out of your body, basically obviously the main reason can be that your in a lot of cases kidney function also can be affected. Hydration is major part in this. So a lot of people feel they drink enough water, but if they are not hydrated well, then also your body will hold it and your kidneys won't be able to remove it from your system. So hydration will be definitely a major part. And yes, it is, as I said, it's a metabolic related issue. So if you have any other health condition, that's also going to contribute to this. If your urine is quite acidic, then that your body will always hold uric acid. So acidic urine can be due to medication. Acidic urine can be due to the kind of diet you take. So if your diet is rich in a lot of acidic food, then also this problem is quite possible, that uric acid can be high in your blood. And other thing is your stomach, how your stomach is working. So since the stomach is responsible for absorption, processing, digestion, everything, so if your stomach is not able to do its work properly due to gut health issues, maybe indigestion, maybe gastric, maybe constipation, maybe diarrhea, maybe IBS, any issue. So when your stomach is not able to process things properly, then also this uric acid can increase. So okay, so these are small reasons, but I already posted for people who are vegetarian. Because what happened, the moment you have high uric acid issue, first thing will be suggested to you, avoid protein, because since it's a metabolic product of protein, so you have to start avoiding protein, otherwise your uric acid level will increase. Generally if you see normal Indian, they anyways eat very less protein in their diet. They are not eating enough of protein throughout the day. So eliminating protein is not solution without knowing the permanent reason why uric acid is again and again is increasing. So another major reason for vegetarians why they get uric acid is high processed food and high sugar food. Yes, so if you if in general, if you see like normal families and people, so there will be a lot of packaged food, there will be a lot of snacking, there will be a lot of high sugar consumption. So yes, high sugar consumption and high processed food consumption will increase uric acid for sure. And another important part which increases uric acid is fructose and fructose corn syrup. So fructose corn syrup basically is a kind of sweet syrup which is generally added in a lot of packaged food, lot of juices, lot of packaged cold drinks, not exactly cold drink, but a lot of drinks what we get generally, and definitely in lot of packaged food, you can see is instant cereals. So it is added in large quantities. So, and fructose generally we get through fruits and fruit juices. So what that means, you need to avoid fruit? No, you don't have to avoid fruit, but you can see people blindly, they just gulp it down, a lot of fruit juices. And a lot of time, obviously, because since we are very busy, we have a lot of instant products, we have a lot of packaged food which may be loaded with a lot of corn fructose syrup. So, and unknowingly we are just consuming it every day. And portion size of fruit people don't control, like if they eat, they feel it's healthy. That's why anything which is healthy, if you're overdoing, can be unhealthy for you. And so, like fruits, if you are eating in more quantity and 2 3 4 times in a day, is not good if you have high uric acid issue. Fruit juices, something which should be definitely like should be avoided completely. Reason being, when you take fruit, is still there is fiber and all which help in releasing slow fructose. But when you take it in juices form where there's no fiber at all, it's like more high in fructose, and it is going to be harmful. I know people, when they feel thirsty, generally in offices and outside, because we have so many juice centers, and the immediate thing is just gulp it down, juices, which is very easy. So for vegetarian, as I said, fructose, which can be major reason, high corn fructose syrup, and highly processed food, packaged food, and high sugar. So these things can be major reason. Apart from that, your obesity, consumption of alcohol, too many diuretic food which are like eliminating a lot of water from your body. These things will always contribute to high uric acid. Okay, so yeah, so I think yes, yeah, stress, if you are inactive, these things definitely will be another reason. But the main reason for uric acid for people who have like people who are not non-vegetarian and vegetarian, as I listed already, will be like can be reasons. So yes, you can watch if all these things you are consuming, your uric acid is high. So maybe you can eliminate certain things, you can start adding certain things. So I'll make another video which will be like for solution, what you need to do about uric acid. But yes, first see what are the reasons for uric acid. So I hope this video will be helpful. If any question, please let me know. I would love to help you guys. Okay, bye bye, take care.